Alright, in this video we're going to be talking about information that you need to know about the ketogenic diet. Alright, so let me start this video off first with letting you guys know I'm not a doctor and I'm not claiming to be. This is just a quick disclaimer to let you know that all the information given in this video today is information that I've learned on my journey that has worked for me. Before making any adjustments to your routine or your diet, please consult with your doctor first. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, keto lovers, I want you to know, stay tuned in to the end of this video. There's a trick that I'm going to be showing you that will help you with your ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is often referred to as keto. I'm sure you've heard the buzz. Everybody's heard about keto. And what keto is it's a high fat diet with low carbohydrates and moderate protein. Not a lot of protein, but moderate protein. It involves dramatically reducing the carbohydrates in your diet and replacing it with fat. The elevation in fat and the reduction of carbohydrates is going to put your body in a metabolic state of ketosis. So instead of sitting there counting on sugar and glucose for energy source, now all of a sudden your body's going to turn to your fat and burn it off and use it for energy. So the biggest problem with sugar is people eat way too much of it. And they don't even realize that they're consuming so much. And what happens is with excess sugar is it will sit there and get stored inside your fat. And from there, all kinds of conditions can happen. And you will start getting sick, depressed, and unhealthy. And then eventually, like many studies have shown, it leads to cancer. When your body runs off fat, it becomes incredibly efficient at using fat for energy. Before we go any further, you're probably thinking, fat. Justin, what am I going to be able to do? Run out to a bunch of fast food restaurants and get whatever I want and eat that way? Absolutely not. Even though certain restaurants like that, fast food restaurants, have certain keto options, I would recommend to stick with healthy fats. You have avocados, you have coconut oil, you have MCT oil, you have fish oil, you have healthy animal fats. You have a lot of healthy fat choices. So don't think that it gives you a license to sin in that way. When I first started the ketogenic diet, I was very strict with it and thought that there was only one way to do it. But guess what? That is not true. There are different flexible ways to use the ketogenic diet. Here are 4 flexible ways that you can use the ketogenic diet depending on what your goal is. The first way is the standard ketogenic diet, which is going to sit there and consume of 75% healthy fats, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Now this is like the mainstream way to go when it comes to ketogenic diet, and it really does have the max results. Number 2, the sickle cell ketogenic diet. What this is you're going to do the standard ketogenic diet 5 days a week, and then on the 2 days a week that are left, you're going to sit there and refeed with carbs. You're going to repeat it, you're going to go 5 standard, and then 2 days a week, you're going to be able to sit there and include carbs into the diet. And this is a great way to build muscle. Number 3, the targeted ketogenic diet. If you're working out, this may be a good route to go because it's going to let you use carbs a little bit before and after your workout. And this will sit there and help you to sit there and not lose any kind of muscle and build muscle on the ketogenic diet. Number 4, the high protein ketogenic diet. The only difference between the standard and this one is you're able to have more protein. 35% protein, 60% fats, and 5% carbohydrates. So there are the 4 flexible ways that you can use the ketogenic diet. Also, don't forget, if you really want to sit there and maximize the results, you can include intermittent fasting. I know a lot of people that use keto and IF together. So we've learned about the ketogenic diet and how to use it. Now we're going to sit there and learn some of the benefits. Here are the top 10 benefits of being on a ketogenic diet. Number 1, clear and healthy skin. Number 2, it will reduce inflammation. if you're looking to sit there and be healthy, or if you're looking to feel your best, you want to reduce all the inflammation that you can in your body, and the ketogenic diet will help you achieve that goal. Number 3, fat loss. It will sit there and speed up your metabolism and get rid of all that unwanted weight fast. Number 4, appetite control. It's going to sit there and keep you feeling satisfied. You're not going to feel like you're starving all the time like these other diets. It's going to sit there and make you feel fulfilled, and you're going to sit there and be getting a lot of benefits while you're satisfied. Number 5, it's great for neuro and cognitive function. The ketogenic diet was actually created for people who had epilepsy, and they found that these healthy fats helped to put these seizures at bay. So, ketogenic diet, a great way to go when it comes to your brain. Number 6, it will starve off parasites, candida. It will also sit there and starve off cancer cells. I've done a ton of research and there's only so many things I can say on this video, but I will tell you this. It will help and assist the body to heal itself. Number 7, it will help to lower your blood pressure. Number 8, it's going to help you lower your bad cholesterol levels. You're probably saying, how in the world can I sit there and eat more fat and have it help lower my cholesterol levels? The only thing I can tell you is I just recently did some lab results, and I sat there and got my results back, and I was shocked because my cholesterol levels were on point and better than they were before when I was eating a low-fat diet. Number 9, blood sugar control. If you want to do a little bit more research on this, I would challenge you to, but it really helps control your blood sugar. Number 10, it's going to sit there and help with your energy levels. It's going to keep you energized throughout the whole day. Alright, here goes the trick that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And a lot of keto lovers and experts don't really know this, but I've learned from some really good, wise people that have actually done the ketogenic diet for many years now, what the true trick is to get the max benefits out of the diet. Here it is. You have to sit there and learn to cycle off the ketogenic diet. No matter if you're on the 1, the 2, the 3, or the 4 that we mentioned earlier with the flexible ketogenic diets, you have to learn that after 21 days to cycle off for 30 days. And what you want to do is when you cycle off is just sit there and elevate those carbs a little bit more. After you cycle off for 30 days on a little bit higher of a carb scale, you're going to jump back onto the ketogenic diet once again and do another 21 days, and then you'll cycle again. 21 days, ketogenic diet, and then afterwards another healthier diet, low in sugar with a little bit more carbs, and this will help to maximize the benefits of the ketogenic diet. If you want to turbocharge your metabolism and really rev it up, make sure you sit there and put this trick into practice. If you've tried every diet under the sun and you have not gotten the results that you really desire, I would tell you from personal experience, give the ketogenic diet a try. It works. All right, I'm going to sit there and post some links in the description below that will take you to some of the products that I use when it comes to ketogenic diet. Products that I truly have sat there and tested and that I believe in. So if you want to sit there and save yourself the time and the headache and the effort of doing all this research, just click on the links below. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Comment in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on the ketogenic diet. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Please do. And if you'd like to sit there and receive up-to-date notifications, please hit that bell button. Thanks so much for all your support, and I'll see you next video.